There's fish. Oh man. Can't catch up to him. He's in real shallow water. He's swimming for the channel. There we go. First one of the morning. Little blue cat. Good morning, folks. It's March 2nd, 2024. I'm on Lake of the Ozarks this morning. I'm going to do a little catfishing. Just got set up on my first spot. It's about 10:45. It took 10 minutes. I said 10:45. I set up at 9:45. It's 9:55. So took 10 minutes to get my first bite. I'm on a mud flat off of the main channel. And I've spread these baits out. I've thrown some up real shallow. That sun's shining down on this mud flat. I was hoping they might move up a little bit. There were some bait fish out there. Nice little keeper fish. I'm not keeping any fish today. Boat's sitting in about 6 foot of water, and I threw that bait basically parallel with this mud flat. So that fish was only 6-7 feet deep. I think they'll move up. There's some, like I said, some shad scattered out here. Got some deeper, some shallower. We're going to see what they bite. That was a side piece, sort of a bigger side piece. I've got some bigger shad today and some smaller ones, so I've got bigger baits on this side and smaller baits on that side. Some just straight Carolina rigs, some Santee Cooper rigs. I got two. These red rods they've got a demon dragon and a rattle, all kinds of jewelry on it. So we'll see what they want. Stay with me. I catch another one on these shallow rods, I'll be repositioning the boat with the back facing the shallow stuff and get more rods in the shallow water. We'll see. That's just one fish. Oh, standing here in this shallow one again. Tell you what, we're going to start putting more in the shallow water, obviously. Man, that fish, it's so shallow. When he hits, he's got to run to the side. Can't go down. I like it. About like the other one, I think. They're hitting it good, I'll say that. When they hit it, they hit it. Oh yeah, that's a nice one there, boy. If I was wanting to keep some, that'd be a good one to keep there. Look how fat he is. He'd been feeding, and he was still hungry. Got it. Yep, boy, he's fat. See how long he is. About 22 and a half. Thank you. All right. Man, I love a shallow water bite. If these babies will go, it'll be fun. Come on, man, quit messing with it. Take it. Commit. Don't be afraid. I'll check this bait and throw this over in shallower water. Is there a fish on it? Don't think so. Yep. Good Lord. No wonder he couldn't commit. Look at the size of that. Look at all that jewelry, and he still ate it. Got a demon dragon, a little float, some beads. There's a small headpiece, small fish. Get rid of that little rascal. That wouldn't even make a sandwich. Oh, got one here. Shallow again. We're gonna get some more shallow baits. I think he's there and just running with it. Yep. He was coming right. I got one here. Oh, got some action going. That one's a little deeper. All right, all right. That's what I like. I don't know if that one's, I think that one's still on there too. Yep. All right, that's another little blue. It's on the Santee Cooper rig with a little float. Let's see what this one is. Oh. Maybe they're going to bite here. This one feels a little bit better. Now this one was in deeper water out toward the channel, so maybe they'll just bite in all depths. About like the others. This is a straight Carolina rig. It's a bigger headpiece. They're not afraid of bigger baits. Oh, boy, I'm telling you what, these are be some nice keepers. I don't think I can get my hand around him. I'm gonna have to get the grips. Get the grips. Come on, what about the rest of you all? Open your mouth. There we go. Yeah, that's a headpiece. Straight on the bottom. Carolina rig. Boy, they got a lot of mud on them. All right. And him go. We got this one down here. It's on the Santee Cooper rig. About the same. Come out there. Got it. Another nice keeper. All right, what is that? That like 4 fish. It's 10:09. 4 fish in about 20 minutes. Yeah, that's a little bigger headpiece. We'll get some fresh bait. I got plenty. Scale. These are big enough to maybe that'll disperse some more scent. I don't know. Debate about that, I guess. Some say scales keep the scent in. Some say take the scales off. Disperses the scent. I don't know. You leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. I think these deep rods, they're out there about 20 feet deep, kind of right where that starts dropping off into the main channel. The main channel out there is about 30 feet deep. I came over here in the sun. I knew that sun would be right in the camera, but I thought that sun, that wind blowing against this flat, that they might move up here, and I think they are. That's a good call on my part. If I could, I'd pat myself on the back. But I'm not that limber anymore. Now I won't get another bite after talking about how smart I am. Here we go. Another shallow water one. He's running for the deep. But I got him. Well, he's not very big. This one's small. but he's up there shallow. Another little blue. It's on a side piece. All right, we've been here about 45 minutes. We've got a few little fish in here. That wind's picking up. I think I may reposition somewhere just a little bit less wind. Get out and scout around a little bit. All right, it's 10:47. We'll give it a few minutes. Oh, there we go. Come on. Oh, yeah. All right. That's one I just put back out. Got pretty much a whole medium size, smaller size shad on the bling bling rig. Not like all the others. Go. Okay. He liked the old whole shad and the noisy rattles. Come on, fish. I'm not gonna give you all day here. Here we go. Here we go on the side one. Yeah. That one was up a little shallower here on the ledge coming up. He decided to eat. I think it's that same one I caught a while ago. Feels like it. They're all about the same size so far. They're all about the same size. What's that on? Side piece. That's on the side piece. Just a little keeper. Come on, you fish gonna have to get bigger. I graphed some good marks coming in here. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here. All right, I'm gonna give it about 10 more minutes or so, unless we catch a real good one. At water temperature's 47.6 degrees right now. Okay, we're at our third spot. I've moved back into a creek. It's a real shallow creek, but there's a little channel that runs through here. There's a bend right here, 90 degrees. I mean, it is jam-packed with shad out there. You could walk on them, they're so thick. It looks like there's a few catfish in there with them, so we'll just see what happens. It's 11, let's call it 11:40. We'll give it 15, 20 minutes, unless we start getting a lot of bites. And then we might be here all day. I hope we're here when the sun goes down. There we go. There we go. Oh, that feels like a little better fish than what we've been catching. Yeah. All right. Oh, he's running over. He's going to run across every one of these lines. He feels like a decent fish. Come on now. Oh, he wants to go this way. It's on the bling bling rig. starting to become a believer of the bling bling rig. How he hadn't got me in 2 or 3 of these lines, maybe all of them before it's over. This is a good fish. This is a better fish. Oh, under the rods. Oh, now over the camera. He's pulling drag. Pulling drag. Come on, baby. It's good of you to get over here on this side where the net is, but come on now. Oh, come on. Don't get hung up in there. There's a brush pile down in there. He headed right for it, too. Oh, come on. There you go. There you go. There he comes. Come on. He's no monster, but he's bigger than those we've been catching. Oh, he's a good one. Yeah, he is. Got him. Got him. All right. Yeah, that's a nice fish there. Let's get him in. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what we're looking for. That's it. On the old bling bling orange. Open your mouth. Oh, I don't want the net. There we go. There we go. Well, I might have to just stay here for a little bit. I was beginning to question my choice. Shows you how much I know. Yeah. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a nice fish there. Huh? Uncurl your tail so you look pretty. See how long it is. That fish is, if I can get him straightened out here, 37 inches long. See that? Let's see what that fish weighs. "37 inches. All right, it weighs 23.5. 23.5. You see it on that back camera? All right, let's turn it loose. Thank you, buddy. Oh, man. He splashed me, soaked me. Let's get another piece out here. That was kind of a full body, or full shad. Full shad that was just kind of skinned the side a little bit and then just cut the tail off. On the bling bling. Come on, bling bling. That's the piece I had on it. Let's take it off, put this fresh piece on. Not getting a whole lot of bites, but I'm gonna sit here for a minute. A bite like that. I'll tell you what, folks, they seem to be liking the little demon dragon rig. I'm gonna make up some more of those, I think. Oh, I've got one going. I was sitting there looking at my phone. Oh, that feels like a better fish too. He's running. They all want to run to the left. It's all right. I'll tell you what, there's not a lot of bites, but they're a lot better quality bites than what I've been getting this morning. This one isn't as big as that last one, I don't think, but it's better than the little dinks. Come on, baby. I'll tell you what. Oh, it might be bigger than that last one. Are you going to come to this side? If you are, I'm going to get the net. Oh. It's nice of you to stay over here on this side. Oh, got one going there too. Oh, this is a good fish. Yeah. Oh, he's pulling drag. Pulling drag. Oh, get out of that. Get out of that. Don't you get in that motor. Oh, now he's going to the other side. All right. That figures. Oh, he's going under the boat. Oh, no, he's in my power pole. Come out of there. Oh, he's wrapped up in my power pole. Come out. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Oh, yeah, he's a nice fish. He's not as big as the last one, but he's a good one. Let's come back over this way. No, don't you do it. You little rascal. All right. Some nice fish out here. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna sit here for a minute. Not many bites, but the two we've had have been good ones. Yeah. All right. All right, let's get this hook out. It's on a Santee Cooper rig, but it's just a regular little peg float. Small peg float. Oh yeah. Nice fish though. Uncurl your tail. Come on. There you go. Boy, they're fat. They're in here eating these shad. Let's see how long this one is. I know it's a slot. Yep. Oh, almost. It's 33 inches right at. Yep. Let's see what a 33 incher weighs. All right. $15, $14. Almost 16 pounds. Nice fish. Get out here in the light of day. Yeah, we like it. Okay, little buddy, thank you. Thank you. Boom. Think I'd learn to get away from that splash. I'll take that splash all day long. Yes, sirree. Indeedy. All right. This little channel runs right across here. This is a channel bend. And that channel's probably not but about 12 feet deep, I think, is what I marked coming in here. And then out in front of it's just a big flat that goes up to almost nothing on the other bank and stays about 6 feet out there in that flat. And then it drops into this little channel that runs through here. Like I said, when I came in here, this channel was absolutely loaded with shad. And I could see some marks in there. I couldn't really tell. Shad were so thick, it was hard to tell how big they were. But I'm just going to sit here for a minute. Like I said, we've been here. I can't remember what time we got here, but we haven't had that many bites. But the 2 bites we've had have been really good ones. And I'll take those all day long. So we're going to sit here a while. I'm going to have to come out of this sweatshirt. It's warming up. It's supposed to get up to, I think, about 70 today. That'd be nice. I'm sure if I start taking my clothes off, as soon as I get my bibs about halfway off, I'm bound to get a bite. Oh, here we go. I knew it. Yep. Oh. Yeah. I knew. If I got half undressed, where's my microphone? I like it. I don't think he's as big as the first 2, but it's hard to tell. Wonder if I could get him over here. Not a bad fish. Probably big enough. Oh, to net it. Oh, that camera's always right in the way right there. Yeah. I don't know how I can get him without netting him. Oh, he's just barely whisker hooked. I better not try to pick him up. Better not. If he was hooked good, I'd have just lifted him out, but he's not. That's on the old bling bling rig. Look at that, can you see that? I mean, just barely hooked in the corner of the mouth. There we go. Nice little fish. I'll bet that's close to the slot. If it's not in the slot, quit. I'm gonna let you go if you treat me nice. Yep, 27 inches in the slot. All right, nice. He's not big enough to splash me and get away with it. All right, we'll see if I can get undressed. Okay, got my sweatshirt off, got my chest camera back on. I think we're good. I'm gonna sit here, not going anywhere. I'm gonna rebait. Some quality fish out there. I've got 40-pound K9 high vis fluoro on the reel, 2-ounce weight. This is 80-pound triple fish mono. Came up here, got some crimps. I crimp on my Demon Dragon, top and the bottom, then just a short leader from the Demon Dragon down to my 9/0 B&M George Young Jr. hook. Love these hooks. When they get them, they're got. Even if you just get them in the whisker. Let's get the old Demon Dragon back out there. Why not? What else we got to do? Eat my bologna sandwich. Man, if I get that out, they'll go crazy. I'm not sure I'm ready for that yet. I think these fish are just moving in through this channel. And these shad kind of moving up, moving back, feeding. Some good ones in here roaming around. All right, folks, it's 12:45. We haven't had a bite in a bit since we caught that last one. So I'm gonna pull them up and I'm gonna go on back in this creek in some shallower water yet and look around, see if the shad are back there. Maybe see if we can find a few fish back there. Stay with me. Okay, folks, that's going to do it for me. It's about 3:20. I hadn't had a good bite since about noon. I'll tell you, that sun got up overhead and the bite just died. The fish quit. So I'm going to quit. I'm going to go to the house. They're going to be quitters. I'm going to be a quitter too. But at any rate, I had fun. Caught a few good fish. One real good one. And it was worth the trip. So I hope you enjoyed it. And I thank you for coming along. And if you enjoyed this video, hey, look at the end. There will be a couple of links to 2 other videos. If you like this one, I think you'll like them too. I'd appreciate you clicking on, watching those. You know all about the subscribe and the like and all that. That really helps out the channel. I appreciate it if you'll subscribe, hit that like button, hit the notification bell, do all those things. I'll see you on the next one.